in diesel prices. Fertilizer prices have nearly doubled. And if you add that cost per hectare, and you look at the price that we get for our wheat and also for our canola, it is impossible to make any money. It's impossible to have a profit. Our profit margin was under severe pressure before this war, in such a way that we weren't making money to renew our technology, to renew our machinery. We are just working them older and older and older, and we can't renew them. Now we get these increases, and personally I don't know how a grain farmer, his calculation and his profitability, there is no profitability for him, and he will not be making money in 2026.
Now, facing this situation, we get hit by this turmoil in the Middle East, and that this just adds to the difficult situation they are in, and this is actually the perfect storm they are facing now. And for some of them, it's basically the last straw.